Welcome to Gem Outdoors, or welcome back. On that note, I've been thinking about changing the name of the channel from Gem Outdoors to Gem's Journal. Gem's Journal, that's right. Because I've already done it on Instagram and Facebook. But the reason I want to change it is because I started this channel predominantly to get outdoors more, and that has helped massively with my mental health, which is another reason why I started doing it. As I've mentioned in previous videos, my mum died in September and I needed an outlet for my grief, I suppose, or something that would help me with my mental health, and that is why I started the channel Gem Outdoors, because getting outdoors was helping me with that. But there's been other things that I've started to implement into my daily lifestyle that have also helped with my mental health and my mental well-being, and I want to start sharing those things as well. And I thought about having two separate channels, but decided I think I'm just going to go with the one channel. But because now it's not just going to be outdoorsy things, I think the channel needs a name change, so it's going to be called Gem's Journal, and I'll put the link to my Insta and everything down below, or attach it on the screen somewhere, so that if you did want to follow me on Instagram as well, then you can. But yeah, anyway, today I am in the woods and I'm here with my friend Fiona. She's hiding behind the camera, putting her tent up at the moment. We've just found a spot which I think we're fairly secluded. There are paths relatively close by, but we can't be seen from any of them, so that's cool. But I'm going to do a tarp camp tonight. Now, the last video I did, I struggled to get my tarp up because it was my first time. It's been a while since I've done it, so I'm probably going to struggle again, but got to give these things a go. It's the way to learn, right? So let's crack on. Let's do this. Now this is the knot that I can't remember. I'm just making up my own knots over here. Oh my god! Yeah, baby. That's a made up knot. I can't deny. Nothing wrong with that. Is that going to snap? Success! Why is it sagging in the middle like that? Let's see if I can stop the sag. Nobody likes a saggy tarp. I'm thinking, because what would happen if it was raining, right? It would just collect in here. What have I done wrong? Those of you that are into bushcraft and know what you're doing, what have I done wrong? Why have I got a saggy tarp? Don't want a saggy tarp. It's not going to rain. It'll do. You know, I'm no perfectionist. I'm just pleased to be in the woods. Oh, by the way, this is the 3x3 lightweight DD tarp. And as a ground sheet, I'm using the DD Magic Carpet extra large. I want to say it's extra large. That's me done. Set up for tonight. I've got my Thermarest Neo Air X-Therm. As I say on every video, it's the only mat I've got, so it's the one I'm going to use. I have my Flex Tail Gear tiny pump, which doubles up as a light, and that will blow up my mat. I have been gifted, after my last video going on about the fact that I don't need excess gear, when it's given to you, you're not going to say no, are you? So I've been gifted very generously and kindly this Snug Pack Travel Pack 1 sleeping bag. The reason I bought this one, its comfort rating is 7 degrees, I think, if memory serves me correctly, and I have slept in it already and I was absolutely freezing, but it was about 4 degrees, so I'm hoping that tonight this will do me. If not, I've got a couple of layers in my bag just in case. But the reason I bought this, because I'm sleeping under the tarp, it's got a built-in mozzie net face. I mean, couldn't be more perfect for this situation, really. So I'm going to give this a go tonight and see if I get cold. But I am a cold sleeper. There's that. This is beautiful. So I'm thinking about, we've had a lovely little chat. It's weird doing it with someone else, but very enjoyable, obviously. Yeah, I'm gonna think about having some food because I am hungry. Tonight, I've got my foil bag, which I took out of the freezer this morning. It's defrosted nicely. And inside this is a chorizo and bean stew. And I've bought some nice bread and butter to have with it, which should be good. So I'm going to get that on the go. I think using my mess tin today. Is that what they're called? Yep. For the first time ever. I've never used it on here. We'll see how we get on. Thought I'd give it a go. You can get a pack of 2 and go outdoors. Oh, I don't know how much they are. But yeah, pack of 2, go outdoors. This is the smaller one and it sits inside the larger one, but there's no point me bringing 2. So yeah, mess tin, handle, folds away. Lovely. Little giveaway as to where we might be. I didn't bring my fork.
I've got a spoon or a fork you can use.
I might have to make something. I'm going to have to go and forage for a bit of wood, I think, to eat and stir it with. Or I could just be lazy and use space. I'm so tempted. Thank God Fee's here. If I was on my own, I would have quite happily made something, but... Woo! We have fire. That is bubbling away nicely already. It took like no time at all. Being impatient. Can't wait for it to be ready. Oh, it's got a kick. But I have bought some homemade bread to have with it. Bit of bread and butter. Beautiful. I like the mess tins.
Oh, you can't beat them, can you?
So good. I feel like I'm a celeb with my mess tin. I need to stop eating chorizo though. It's not in line with my clean foods diet. Nope, you can't see a thing, can you? I can see, but you can't. You can't see me, so this is absolutely pointless. I'm going to do it on my phone instead. I'm really sorry that I've been really rubbish this evening and I've not filmed a lot. It's because I have wonderful company and I've had a really nice evening just chatting and catching up with my friend, which has made for a terrible video for you. So apologies. I don't think I'm in for a fun night tonight because I'm on a very slight slant and my mat, my sleeping pad, keeps sliding down the ground sheet, which is really annoying, so I feel like I'm going to end up on the dirt and on the soil. So I need to buy something to put under my sleeping pad to stop it from slipping. So any recommendations in the comments, please. It's about 9 o'clock. It's starting to get dark. So I'm going to say good night and I'll see you in the morning. Morning campers. I feel like every morning when I wake up I just say the same stuff. So you must be bored of hearing me say I didn't sleep particularly well last night. Because the same thing happened again. I didn't sleep particularly well last night. I just couldn't get comfortable and I was fidgeting around and my mat kept sliding around. I really need to get something that goes underneath it to stop it sliding around. And then we had a rogue deer screaming in the night. Oh God. And then some kind of weird whoopee noise. Don't know how to explain it. I actually demonstrated the noise to Fiona, but I'm a bit embarrassed to do it.
Let's do it.
Shall I do it?
Do it.
It was kind of a whoop, whoop, whoop. Don't know what it was. It was like a machinery type noise. Anyway, whatever. So that was going on. But yeah, I slept all right. Okay. But it's a nice calm morning in the forest. It was so mild last night. I didn't feel cold at all, so the sleeping bag was all right. However, this mesh net thing, which I thought was going to be a really good idea, I had it on for about 5 minutes and then had a little panic attack as I was falling asleep because I thought I was suffocating because it was like on my face. So I ended up sleeping with it unzipped anyway. But I imagine if I was sleeping out and there were mozzies around and I was sitting up, it would be all right. But I think because I was laying down and it was like flat on my face, wasn't pleasant. Not for me anyway. But yeah, so that's it. I'm not sure what the plan is this morning. I think Fee's gonna make a cup of coffee and we're just gonna chill out a little bit this morning before we pack up and go. Yeah, if anything interesting happens, keep you posted. So Fee and I have been sitting here chatting for ages. What we want to do is we want to start hosting events to encourage people to get outdoors. So for those people who feel a little nervous or a bit apprehensive or don't have anybody to go with because their friends are in a different place or whatever, we want to start hosting events to encourage people to get outdoors, to support mental wellness and mental well-being, because science states, you know, statistics say being outside in nature will help with your mental well-being. So we want to get that ball rolling and encourage more people to get outside and doing this kind of thing, and And trust me, you will feel so invigorated when you get back after doing something like this. So I want to share the love, spread the love, and encourage people to get out and enjoy this beautiful country that we live in. We are hoping to put on an event in September. Something very small. It's going to be women only. Sorry, lads. We just want to create a safe space for women to come along, meet like-minded people, maybe learn some bushcraft skills, a bit of team building, just getting to know each other. There'll be a campfire. But if you want more information on the event that we're hosting, where it's going to be, what to expect from it, then find me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram name here. It's changed from Gem Outdoors to Gem's Journal now. Drop me a DM with your email address and I can send you over some information on the weekend. Hopefully I'll chat to some of you very soon and we'll get to see you there. I'm going to pack up. Leave no trace. Fee hasn't left a trace either. Short and sweet today, guys. But another successful wild camp. So I'm going to love you and leave you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Just on our way out of the woods, we found a little well, which is covered, well, it's not covered, it's got some litter that's been left. So we've got our bag of rubbish. I'm just going to top it up with the litter that's been left behind here. It's not difficult to take your rubbish with you guys.